Hey guys, Robin here with WTI. All the bathrooms have it. Let's talk faucets.
Really gorgeous matte black finishes, which ties in really well with the other features of this bathroom, but also it's super simple to use. It has a really nice amount of pressure, and the amount of force needed to move this and turn it on and off is really minimal. It is absolutely beautiful, and I think it's great for any modern bathrooms that are looking for that sexy matte black finish. And another thing I appreciate is just how far it is into the sink as well, so you don't have to struggle with your hands too close. It is at a really nice distance and gets practically straight down the drain. So I think it's absolutely beautiful. It is a great addition to this bathroom and has really improved the look all around.
So guys, I think we can agree matte black is the way to go these days. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I know it will look great in your bathroom if that's the theme you've chosen to, but that's just my point of view.